show. So today we're gonna make guacamole. So today you're gonna need avocado, tomatoes, parsley, and salt. So first you're gonna put the avocado in the bowl. You have to mash it with the masher. Once that's done, you're gonna put the tomatoes and the parsley in the avocado mix. Oopsie. Now we're gonna need a little salt.
Okay.
Next, you mix it up. Avocados have vitamins and they also have minerals. Avocados are super healthy. I like eating it with salty squares. Delicious.